Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about where is Google in LG on LG Smart TV. Now pay attention. LG is like your iPad or your iPhone, okay? In iPad or iPhone, you don't have Google. If you don't load, you cannot find Google. But the feeds or your, how can I say, or your main, okay, the principal browser in your iPad is your Safari, okay, with this logo, with this symbol, okay. Now in Smart TV LG, in LG Smart TV is the same. Where is my control? Here. In your TV, okay, you need to find this app. It's color blue and with this name, okay, browser, okay, browser web in your TV maybe, or only browser. Touch here and open your browser. You need to find or right here your Google, okay. Example, I have a magic control. Can I touch here and wait here and right here with my control, okay, G-O-O, okay, Google. And with this I have Google in my TV, and this is all. Okay. Now can you see this is Google on LG Smart TV? Sorry for my bad English, and have a good day. See you later.